Hello, we are here at NTNA Nail Party. This is the social event for nail technicians, and here you can win prizes, socialize with your fellow nail techs, meet new ones, and I don't know, maybe something else is expecting us. So let's go and check this out. Oh my God, it does feel like an actual party. And also today on this stage, we're gonna know who's gonna be the next top nail artist. This is the competition by Nails magazine. So today we're gonna know who's the winner. Different brands, they have their models presented with the nails. Like here we have Wildflowers, Cuba, BOC with gel. Let's go closer and check them out. Check this out, like optical illusion, so beautiful. Wow. Oh, so they're all different. So here we have a beautiful bride from Cuba. Oh my God, can we see your nail? Oh my God, check this out. This is beautiful. Like
these are all made by Cuba's acrylic powder.
Acrylic? Oh, okay.
All sculpted.
It's acrylic, right? Oh,
yes, all acrylic.
Beautiful.
Beautiful.
Yeah, bling and what's on the
this is our new e-file.
Oh, okay.
Baby pink color and then baby blue color over there.
And do you have other colors?
Yeah, we have like a red, white, black, teal, and purple now. So these two gonna be a really brand new color.
Wow, cool. So is it powerful enough to actually remove the product, let's say acrylic?
Yes, like our e-file is really have a high torque and then like a 30,000 RPM. So it's really easy. Like it's not gonna damage your arm because of the, if you do it right way, it's really easy to remove everything and then even do the surface work. It is really smooth.
Wow, cool. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
We walked by Celina Ryden right there. She's from Light Elegance and she was doing such a beautiful set to her model and she said she's going to be with surfing. So I guess that's the model. Let's go check her out. Can we see the result now? Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, from Suzie.
Oh, you were both together.
Oh, that's really cool. Oh my God. Hi, Celina, that's great. What is it?
Oh, it's our new sun bum and then acrylic powder, and then I just draw it into it.
Oh, okay, because I thought you did it with gel. I'm like, oh,
It's gel, but gel and acrylic.
Okay,
Yeah.
that's so cool. So is it like, why is it, I noticed that there's something about beach, Sunstyle, is it because of the name of this new collection?
Yeah, it's our new collection is called Surfs Up, so that's why. So I'm actually matching my hair with the collection.
That's so cool. That's a great job.
Oh yeah, for sure.
We're an all LED brand, so everything you see here will last for about 50,000 hours. The great thing about this product here is it mimics true daylight. So any pop of color that's underneath is going to be exact color, which is especially important when you're comparing nail polish colors, glitter colors, rhinestone colors. You know exactly what color it is right under here. It's a nice slim profile and it's nice and easy to use.
Yeah, and what about the eyes? When you work for a long time, is there, will it not hurt the eyes?
Yes, so it's really great because our eyes are very comfortable at the natural daylight. And, we're never working too hard. And as nail technicians, you're working 12 plus hours a day. So as long as you keep the light below your eyes, above the client's hands, your eyes are stress-free.
Nice, and I like the design. It's so stylish.
Yes, the double gooseneck, I think that's probably one of the most eye-popping parts about our light. Double gooseneck here, so you can really customize it and make it work for your station. This also rotates 360 degrees, right? It does some turns, so you're able to angle the light exactly where you need it. You can follow us at The Daylight Company on Instagram and Facebook. And for the premiere show, we will be at booth 2223.
Okay, yeah, we should come check you out tomorrow. So we met Sonia and she's watching my channel. So what do you think about this party?
I love it. This is my first time here to a trade show or anything. I love that I can just talk to everybody about what we all love, which is nails and colors and sparkles and everything.
Yeah, that's great. So do you learn from the videos on the YouTube as well?
Yes, a lot. I have learned a lot. I have learned a lot from you, especially with just tips and tricks and things with the artwork and stuff like that, and I just absolutely love it. Love all the information that I get and that you give.
Okay, thank you so much. Enjoy.
Thank you.
All right, well, thank you so much for being here for our first ever event in Orlando.
5 years ago, Nail set out to find the next top nail artist. Over the past 5 seasons, 52 contestants have set the bar for nail design and revolutionized the way to compete in this industry. In the fall of 2017, we welcomed 24 semifinalists.
We are here at NTNA party, and a few minutes ago they announced the winner. So Nail's Knockstep Nail Artist is an online nail competition where 12 nail technicians compete during the whole year. I mean, can you imagine working during the whole year? They're doing different challenges every week, like sometimes it's 3D design, sometimes it's hand painted, and now they finally announced the winner. That's so exciting. And when I saw, you know, her emotions, her feelings, that was like, oh my God, I really remember times when I used to compete. Also, we met so many new friends, and some people, you know, just come by and they're like, oh, I took your classes, or I'm watching your videos, like, thank you so much, and that's so exciting. So if you ever have an opportunity to socialize, to meet other nail techs, never miss it, because it's such an inspiration, such an emotions, and I mean, that's just what you should do if you want to grow. And Kisses, this is your first time on this event?
Yes, first time.
Do you like it?
Well, it just started with the party, but absolutely, so far I like it.
So do you think nail technicians should visit this kind of events?
Yeah, they need to see what's going on in the industry. The industry is moving pretty fast. There's a lot of new technology in our products that are coming out, and if we don't keep up, then we lose out. Not only just in money, but just with what's going on in our career and what's around us that can enrich our lives. So, yeah, it's more than just doing a pedicure and a manicure in a salon.
Thank you. So at this event, you get the bag of goodies, not just a bag, but 2 bags, right? Yeah. So let's see what's inside. Let's do the unpacking and first impressions. Accents. Oh, Shine On. That's actually a good sealer. Okay. Oh, you will have another one.
I can't wait. I love that. I can always use more flips.
What's the flips?
So the deal, how these are used, and they're becoming really popular, and they make it so easy to soak off gel, or even dip acrylic. It works great. So you just put some cotton, saturate it with the acetone, and clip it on. And that way it eliminates the use of the foils. And sometimes foils, they get kind of, have to wrap, and then they come off. These stay on nice and snug, and they're very comfortable, and you just do it to every nail, wait 5-10 minutes, and then sure enough, product comes right off. So, and you can reuse these, and you throw away the cotton. And so these are really a fun toy to have and very useful in a salon.
What else?
Let's see what this is. Ooh, we got a new toy. Well, I kind of get to the
Bio Seaweed. I guess it's gel polish by Seaweed, something new.
Yeah, let's see. Oh, it is the Bio Seaweed. That'll be kind of fun to try.
Is this the color? I guess, yeah, the color that's on the bottom.
Looks like a top coat. No, but that's all right.
I was really expecting, like, what's going to be the color,
No, I think they want to keep it generic, though.
Not the color.
More toys. Now there's some color.
Gel couple, vitamin gel polish plus air gel. Oh, I get what it is. So this is like gel polish and the regular polish with the same shade.
And it looks like kind of obviously a hot magenta pink with a little bit of purple iridescent. So that's a really cool. Let's see. Then we have a lot of
catalogs.
promo.
All right, that's nice.
Top artists. pamphlets. Okay, let's see. Ooh, here we go with more. I bet you.
Oh,
this is
another one.
probably-
Yeah, so that was the top coat and the base coat, maybe?
Yeah, maybe. You only
Looks the
know-
same.
It does. Maybe we get two.
Oh yeah, maybe just two.
Yeah, I think we get two. Man,
Okay.
we must use a whole lot of it.
Gel base by Coupa. All right. Nice. The
Wow.
soft gel base. Ooh, now this is so cute. What's in the black one?
Oh, well.
Okay, let's keep it for later.
There's, yeah, let's chat.
Oh, so it's the
Ooh.
same gel polish and regular nail polish with the same shade.
Yeah, and it's this lavender color, so that'll be really
Nice.
cute.
It's like almost the color of this year. And oh, we have an apron.
That's nice.
Yeah,
We know what aprons look like, so. We have a little towelette,
CND towel.
probably manicure table towel. Oh, and here we go. A robust file.
Oh, so we have silver and gold goop. Oh, that's stamping by Wildflowers and Lichat file. Okay. And what's in this beautiful
Oh, yes. The little
black?
surprise bag.
Do you think it's diamonds before you open
That
it?
would be awesome if it has crystals. I so want bling.
Okay, so let's
Yeah.
pray it will be crystals.
Oh, please some bling in there. Digging my nails in there. Bling, bling, bling.
Is it heavy?
Nope, it's not bling.
But it's still cool. What is it? Flash drive?
Yeah, actually, it looks like a keychain.
Oh yeah, that's a keychain. Okay, but it still was nice.
I was thinking maybe Swarovski crystals. That would have been cool. Or even
Okay.
a keychain with big crystals.
Okay, so this was the bag of goodies every participant gets if you attend this event right here at NTNA Social. So that's another benefit of going to this event. The party is almost over. Everybody's ready to leave and we're tired but super excited. It was a great day, so we went through the show, did some socializing, and now we went to this party. So it was a great day and we look forward for tomorrow.